Okay, so here we are starting our equilibrium acids and bases unit. And one of the first things we start to look at is what an equilibrium system is, and then how we can calculate the constant K of an equilibrium expression. So first of all, if you're calculating K or KEQ, which is the same thing, you need to be able to set up the reaction. So K will equal, it's always products over reactants. So you could either use KEQ or KC, they're interchangeable. So you start with your products, so you'd have the concentration of SO3, and then the coefficient 2 makes S squared on the top. And then you divide by your reactants, so we're taking a look at the concentration of SO2, and then that 2 there means squared, and you're going to multiply it by the concentration of oxygen, and we don't need an exponent because there's a 1 in front, and so it would just be to the power 1. So this is the expression that allows us to calculate the Kc value of our reaction in equilibrium. Now, once we have that expression, and if you're given concentrations, then you can calculate the Kc by plugging it in. So if I want to know the actual value, I'm just going to do a little bit of replacing. So the concentration of SO3 is 6.00 moles per liter, and that value is squared, divided by the concentration of 4.50 moles per liter, which is squared, times 6.25. Now, if you're putting this into your calculator in all one step, just make sure to keep your whole denominator in brackets, and you can open double brackets for that. And once you plug it in, you should see with 3 significant digits your answer for Kc, 0.284. And that reminder that the Kc value does not have any units, so you just write it down. An added question we can have here is what is favored? So what side, products or reactants is going to be favored? If your Kc is greater than 1, it's going to be your products being favored. If your Kc is less than 1, reactants are going to be favored. So ours is less than 1, so we would have more reactants in this equilibrium system than we do products. I hope that's helpful. If it is, please follow and subscribe. And if you need any other help, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.